All three. Our song is
like
I've never seen it.
Way to watch.
Alright. Here the ball comes. Well, that was crap.
I know all the characters and I hate it. There's Hello Kitties in it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm taking a step at a step.
Alright. Number 9. Step to bat. Here comes the ball. Those are really low ball.
I'm not coming again. Either
Max,
her
step
or
to bat.
me
Here comes
is
the ball.
bad play.
That's still a low ball. Alright. Here comes the ball. Once more. And he hits it. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. He made it.
Come on, Chris.
But the other guy did.
This year, maybe the 3.
It's Phoebe.
I don't know about the first game.
Phoebe's up to bat. You should have seen him stretching earlier. He looked so pretty. He even did a little spin, and then he was jumping. Here comes the ball. There it is. There goes Phoebe. Alright. This is Moose. I don't know why. I don't see any horns coming out of his head. But this is Moose. Here comes the ball. That was a really low ball. Let's try this again.
Come on, Moose.
Here it comes. That was a really low ball too. Alright. Here the ball comes again. There it goes.
Oh, yeah!
Is he gonna catch it? Oh, he caught it. He caught it. That's okay. That's okay.
Come on, Outlaws!
Alright. Now the Outlaws. Outlaws. My bad. The Outlaws going out to the outer field. Let's see if we can watch Girly. Girly. Pretty sure that's Girly. Anyways, it's not focusing in. Anyways, everyone's in their spot. There's the BB on his pretty balls. Ball. Oh wait.
One ball, 2 strikes.
Alright. We can watch this. Here comes BB's pitch. There it is. There it goes. I got it! Even if y'all didn't get to see it, he got it. Yeah. Caw. Alright. Here the ball comes. There it is. Could have so hit that ball. Alright. But I have no room to talk. I could not play softball. Y'all are playing softball. Oh. There it is. There's the ball. Would you get the freaking ball? Get it. Stop chasing it. Throw it. Oh. Girly's way back there. Do y'all see him? I was gonna record him walking, singing a song. I'll do that later. Alright. He's getting prepared for one of BB's. There it is. He was just a few inches forward. If I would have hit him in the head, that would have been funny. Here comes his ball. Oh, there it goes. Gosh.
3! Hold on, 3! And time.
Oh.
Order!
Okay, BB. I want to see a 70-mile-an-hour ball. Okay. But you said you were going to throw at me, BB. I want to see that play. Let's go. That's not it.